Hi, it's Carmen with DiMaria Duo, and I got a question for you. Do you want a brighter smile? Do you want to reduce the sensitivity of your teeth? And do you want to strengthen your teeth? If you answered yes to these questions, check out this product. This is the Snow Diamond Series Whitening Kit system. This thing is awesome. It is designed to do all of those things. It will brighten your teeth, it will reduce your sensitivity, and it will strengthen the enamel of your teeth. So this is the wonderful package they sent us. Let's check it out. It comes with the plug as well as the charging cable. You know that those are important to me. I don't like digging around and looking for them. So I kind of keep them all together. So when I need them, I can pull them out and plug them in. This wonderful little tube here, this is the teeth whitening serum. What this is just that. It's a serum and it's a brush. So what you're going to do is you're going to twist the bottom, which is going to push the serum up. You're going to paint the front 6 teeth, the bottom 6 teeth as well. You're going to put this cap on, and then you're going to get your mouthpiece. Here it is. Comes right out. One will simply do whitening. Red will do strengthening of your enamel. And when you have it on both colors on the third beep, it will do both. It also has a 30-minute auto off timer, which is great because what I like to do is turn it on like this, pop it in, and then I'm good to go. I have 30 minutes. I know when it's off, it'll beep to indicate that it's off. When I'm all done, I'm gonna rinse this off and clean it. You can use it 3 times before you have to do a full recharge on it. Cool thing is you can also plug the case in, so that's gonna wirelessly charge it. And when you activate the blue light and put it back in the case, it will do a sanitizing for the mouthpiece to ensure that it is nice and clean for you. So if you are looking for a product that is going to brighten your smile, reduce your sensitivity, and strengthen your teeth, look no further because our friends at Snow has created the perfect Diamond Series Whitening Kit just for you.